Hello, students. On your request, I am going to tell about Indian civilization and culture in English. This lesson has been written by Mahatma Gandhi, who is popularly known as Bapu. In this lesson, he talks about the sound foundation of Indian civilization and culture. He praises our civilization and compares it to modern civilization, which tendency is to collect a number of materials. But our civilization is based on morality. Gandhiji says that many civilizations in the world were destroyed due to vice flourishing among them. But our civilization is still alive even today. He says that civilization is the mode of conduct which points out men the real path of duty, the observation of duty. Gandhiji says about man that man is a restless bird. The more it gets, the more it wants, and still remains unsatisfied. Because desires are unlimited and their means are short. The rich will be rich and the poor will be poor. But it is seen that the rich are unhappy, sad, but the poor are happy because they have contentment and they know that contentment is happiness. Our ancestors believed in physical work. They did not run after machinery. In ancient time, in cities, the rich men looted the poor men. The poor men were unhappy in cities, but in villages they solved all their problems because there were wakils, baids, gram panchayats. They followed true home rules and they were happy in village. Indian civilization is based on God belief, but modern civilization is godless. Gandhiji says that after the year of experience, I have learned a lesson that we should give up modern civilization at any cost. Do you know? Modern civilization is the multiplicity of human wants, and our civilization restricts on human wants. It grows moral values. It makes our character bold and it helps discipline. It is the reason that the world knows about Indian people and respect our civilization. Gandhiji says that the West people develop a civilization which suited to them, but our civilization suits to us. Then why should we run after modern civilization which destroy our moral values? Gandhi says that go to China, go to Greece, go to Japan. Where are world famous civilizations? Can you see? No. But you can see our civilization all over the countries. We believe in humanity. We followed plain living and high thinking. It is the main principle of our culture. Thus, the lesson teaches us that we should follow our civilization, follow disciplines, follow morality, and we should give up modern civilization at any cost. Otherwise, it will destroy us. We are proud of our civilization and culture. Such thoughts should be. That's all. And I hope that you will be satisfied with my lecture. And this lecture is helpful to solve many questions belongs to this lesson, and you can get good marks on the basis of this lesson. Thank you, my students.